everyone. Welcome to our Bitsy tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to download and use the free QR code for your Bitsy link. This feature makes sharing your links even more convenient. Let's dive right in. Assuming you've already created your Bitsy link, go to Bitsy link page where you'll see all your shortened links. Next to your shortened link, you'll find the More Options icon to the far right. Click on it and you will be presented with more options about your shortened link. Click on the View QR Code button to proceed. Bitsy provides your QR code in 3 different formats: JPG, PNG, and SVG. Let's go over each format and its benefits. The JPG format is ideal for web use and is perfect for sharing in emails or on social media platforms. The PNG format offers high quality and supports transparency, making it great for presentations or embedding on websites. The SVG format is a scalable vector image, which is perfect for high-resolution prints or professional materials where clarity is key. Simply choose the format that best fits your needs, click on the corresponding download button, and save the QR code to your device. You can now use your QR code in various ways: print it on marketing materials, include it in presentations, or share it digitally. Scanning this QR code will take users directly to your shortened URL, making it easy for them to access your content. And that's a wrap. Downloading and using your free QR code from Bitsy is quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need assistance, drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy linking with Bitsy.